So these are my morning glory vines, and today we're going to talk about how to save the seeds. So the way they work is the morning glories bloom in the morning. You see they're up at the ground down there. They fall off, usually by the next day, and more bloom. And every time they bloom, they leave behind these. And what's in there is, well, those are the seeds. Now to harvest the seeds, you're just going to find one of these and kind of squish them till the seeds fall off. And then just blow away the little husks, and then you get 3 to 4 seeds each one. Now, the reason they say morning glories are invasive is because every cluster of flowers is going to produce 3 or 4 of these little, and each one of these is going to produce 4 seeds. So this one vine is going to drop a lot of seeds if you don't cut them. Now, this actually is from one seed, and this is from one other seed. That's at least 12 feet high. And then, you know, it's doubled and tripled and quadrupled all along there. Excuse the rooster. If you have it somewhere like this where it's on rock, it's better because in the spring when those pop out, they'll be really obvious. You just yank them right out of there after they start to, to grow. But if you have it just against a fence or in your garden, and it's not real obvious, then yeah, these can quickly overwhelm you or overwhelm your garden. But they are easy to harvest. You just pop those little seed things when they're ready, and if you don't want the seeds to self-seed, you're gonna have to come up here and cut all these off before they go to seed. Luckily, I like them.